Welcome to Module 6. I want you to know that you can do this. We've spent the last 5 and then a bonus module of going through exactly what you're going to sell, who you're going to sell it to, what is the topic you want your business to be around. Hopefully you've gone through all those worksheets and you understand now how to build a relationship with your customers and a little bit about the tech that you're going to need to grow your business online. Okay, so hopefully you have a really good framework and understanding now of how to get started to grow your business online. And I want to invite you to take the next step. I talked a little bit about mob bosses in the bonus module, but I want to invite you to take the next step to join us in Mob Bosses. Mob Bosses is a place where we're going to expand upon this masterclass, where you get day-to-day checklist of exactly what you need to do to continue to grow your business. But not only are you going to get more training and more checklists, but you're going to get access to myself and my team 5 days a week. We're going to come on and answer your questions. Plus, we're in the community answering your questions. But 5 days a week, I will be on live on Zoom, so you can just jump on and get your questions answered. You never have to worry about not having the support you need to grow your business. You're going to get access to that toolkit I keep talking about. This is all the tech you need to run your business. If you already have your business set up and you have landing page software and website and calendar software and email marketing software, we will actually save you money by coming over and being a part of the Mob Bosses. It will be cheaper for you to be a part of the Mob Bosses and replace all that complicated software and have it all in one place, making it easier for you to be able to grow your business and increase your sales. It makes it easier for you to do the marketing that we're showing you exactly how to do. And then, of course, you have access to my team to where if you get stuck on how to use something, you have the support available to jump in and make sure that you keep moving forward. Plus, and maybe this is the most important part, you get access to a community, a place where you belong, a place where everybody's trying to do the exact same thing you are trying to do, a place where you get to talk with other people, a place where you can support one another, a place where you can go when you need some uplifting. This is a place truly for you. Now, I know what you're saying. Maybe you've tried. Maybe you feel like you've been taking all these trainings and courses and coaching, and they all just let you down. Or maybe you feel like you're afraid of what people are going to say about you. You're afraid that maybe you just can't do it. I promise you, I am no different. I've thought those things so many times over the last 15 years, especially when I was first starting out, which is exactly why we built this community for you. We want to show you step by step exactly how to start, build, and grow your business. Even if you have no tech skills, even if you have no following, even if you are just starting out, this is the place for you. When you join today, you're going to get access to all of our exclusive trainings. So we will have trainings in that community once a month that are only for that community. And we have weekly trainings as well that cover topics such as social media, online marketing, Facebook ads, email marketing. Those are quick, actionable things to help you continue to grow your business. The reality is you need 3 things to grow your business. You need the education. You need to know exactly what to do. You need the tools. I promise you, you will need the tech. You will need the tools to grow your business. And third, you need the accountability. Without all 3 of those things, you're not going to build your business as fast as you can. We're going to take everything we've learned about marketing and teach it to you so you don't have to take 15 years learning it. And for those of you that have paid for coaching before and it hasn't worked, I get it. But I guarantee you that this will be the best coaching you have gotten. And when I ask you to invest in yourself today, I know that you're going to need the help to make sure that you get that investment back every single month. Additionally, though, we're giving you a 30-day money back guarantee. If you jump in there, if you join us in Mob Bosses and you aren't getting everything you need to grow your business, the coaching, the question and answers, the tech, the tools, and the support and the accountability, just let us know. We'll cancel your membership and give you a full refund within 30 days. But maybe this is the coolest part ever. When you join, it's for a limited time, it's only $37 a month. You see, I want to make it affordable and accessible to all moms who are dedicated to growing their business and helping their families. But I promise you that price is going to go up. So when you click the link below and you secure your price for only $37 a month, you're going to be able to start, build, and grow your business for only $37 a month. And that's going to even include all the tech and tools you need. So I can't wait to see you on the other side. Click the button below and go over and join Mob Bosses. And I can't wait to see your growth. Until next time.